Hello and welcome to this video covering the new 2N Project Designer. To use the 2N Project Designer, just access it on our website. Choose the region where you operate. This is very important because of different part numbers. Select the type of project where you want to use a 2N intercom. We'll show you how the configuration works on our flagship 2N IP Verso. Click Configure. The progress bar at the top of the page shows you the steps which will follow. You should begin by choosing your preferred main unit and modules. Choose the main unit on the left. Let's opt for a black version with a camera. Add the modules you'll need. They're divided into 4 categories. Selected modules will show up immediately in the picture on the left side of 2N Project Designer. You can simply drag and drop the modules to rearrange them. Click Next. A list of all selected items in the previous step will appear below the picture of your intercom. Choose the way you're going to install the intercom, flush or surface. Don't forget to add the correct number of frames and other necessary installation items. Click Next. Gold License enables all the advanced functionalities such as noise detection, external camera support, automation, SMTP client, etc. If you think you won't need these features, you can remove it from the basket and pick another one or continue without a license. Click Next. Here you can choose accessories for the intercom. We highly recommend adding a security relay to each intercom. At this point, your intercom is configured and you can move on to choosing other devices for your project. Once you've finished configuring the intercom, you can add answering units, access cards and other accessories. That's it, you've finished your project. You can see the list of all chosen items in 2N Project Designer. As the last step, you need to save your configuration by clicking Export XLS. Do you have another project that needs configuring? Just click New Configuration to start a new project. Thanks for watching, and we wish you a pleasant experience with 2N products.